Hello everyone, you're humbly welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. A very big thank you to you all my subscribers, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my niece's favorite Ghana salad for breakfast. Now let's get right into the video. Let's go over our ingredients. So in order to make the video a bit short, I prepped my vegetables down. So over here we have some cabbage, onion, and some carrots. We also have over here spring onion and tomatoes. Tomatoes. I will not allow English to kill me. Masa. Eggs. Sardine. So into the frying pan, let's add in some margarine. Add in our carrots, so carrots are always the first thing I add in my stir fries or salads because I feel that carrots are hard as compared to the other ingredients. That's why I always start with the carrots. Right after you add in your carrots, stir in to toss them. Always toss your vegetables under medium heat or low heat. Mine is on medium heat. You don't want to overcook your vegetables because doing so will kill the nutrients in them. Now let's add in our cabbage. Delicious. At this point, Madam was already excited about her salad. Next, we'll be adding in our tomatoes. So at this point, I think I was getting confused. Usually, I add in my spring onion like at the latter part. That's usually the last ingredient I add. I will now add in the onion. So usually, I use other vegetables like lettuce, cucumber, green pepper to make my salad, but today I ran out of these vegetables. That's why I'm just making do with what I have. So when I'm using the cucumber and the lettuce, I don't toss those two. I will then add in the spring onion and stir to mix everything together and then take it off from the fire. So at this point we are done. Our salad is almost ready. We'll then just add in our eggs and sardine. Then for those who want ketchup or salad cream or mayonnaise, they will add it to their food later. Not everyone in my house likes these things, so we don't usually add it to the whole salad. Please, thank you so much for watching the video and all my other videos. Please find a playlist of my videos at the end of this video. And also, please do well to subscribe to the channel because it goes a very long way to help the channel. Like, comment, and share with your family and friends. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, please do well to stay by subscribing to the channel and like the videos. Also do well to comment. Akia Lady Day. Thank you. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.